So today we are putting James the Detailer to the test. He does interior detailing right here in Tucson. New on the scene. We're gonna have him detail the interior of the old beast work truck. Let's check it out, see what he's up against. So James the Detailer has just come and got me to let me know that the truck is done. Now, you saw the before pictures. You know we absolutely put this poor man to the test. Let's see how he did. Holy shit. Look at that, y'all. I don't know what the hell happened to all that black nasty grease. Look at my floors. Stain from the seats. Dashboard. I even got the sticker off my center console. Look at that. Hey, y'all remember that? Look at that. Look at that. Look at these floors. Oh, look at that. I even got inside the door pockets.
Those were a doozy in there too.
Nobody get inside the door pockets. Let's go around and check it out from the driver's side. Damn, y'all, look at that. Look at that. That's where I spill all my coffee. The dirty, nasty arm grease stains are gone. Shit, clean the dashboard. Now I can see how many miles are on the truck. That's terrible. Alright, so that, ladies and gentlemen, is what James the Detailer can do to a 1997 beat to shit work truck. Only took him a couple hours. Didn't come pester me for every little thing. I left him out here to do his thing, and we'll be honest with you, it's never been that clean since the day I bought it. Not really sure what to do about that. I'm gonna have to go spill some coffee in it or something.
Fresh canvas.
So y'all get a chance, you definitely want to give James the Detailer a call. He's got my stamp of approval. That is amazing. I know I sure as hell don't have the motivation to get in there and clean my truck like that. But I tell you what, I'm gonna have him do it again after I go spill some coffee in it. Later.